Hello, we will be continuing on with the car jack assembly. So this is the last item of our car jack assembly, and we are creating the M12 nut. So it's hidden back here, but it's in there. It's going to be some guy back there. It's going to be one of those back there, and it is item number 4. Where's 4 at? Doesn't show a 4. Anyway, so it's behind, it's the nut that goes to this. So we're going to be doing this one right here, M12 by 1.75 nut. Okay. We have already done these. They are in the playlist. Let's scroll down to the very bottom. And we will be doing this P1-18 today. We will be opening P1-16, which is one we already did. And we will be modifying P1-16 to make P1-18. All right. So please take a screenshot of this, or you can download it in the description. So I'm going to slide this to my second screen. All right. So here's what I'll do. I will go to modeling. I will do a file save as P1-18. All right. So now we need to just kind of walk through these steps here. We can click on that sketch 1, and we're going to change this to from 4.8 to 19.2 divided by 2. Don't need an expression, so no on that guy. Okay, escape and finish. All right, so we see it's quite broken. No problem though. We'll fix it as we're walking through. If this makes you really get scared, you can click on these, and we can hold down shift key, right click, and we can suppress all of these. So now we're just doing like baby steps, step by step. Okay. So let's go with the extrusion. How long do we want this guy? We want him 9.6. Okay. Let's click on the sketch. We want to see that. So right click and unsuppress. And we got to see it. So let's click on that sketch. We're going to change this to, this is a nut. So this is M12 nut. So I have this here, Bolt Depot's telling me that M12 by 1.75 requires a 10.5 millimeter metric drill. So we will start with 10.5 and then drill it and then tap it. 10.5, there we are. Finish. Okay. We can do we can right click, we can unsuppress that guy. So it made the hole. Got it. It didn't make it deep enough though. So if we want to double click on that guy, and what we could do, if we wanted that to automatically make it deep enough, we can go here, click on that, and go to until next. So it's going to go all the way through there, okay? Or we can just change that number, either one. All right, now we're going to make our symbolic threads. Let's right click, unsuppress. It's complaining. It says it's M6. We just double click on that guy. It automatically already knows what it is. Okay. Unsuppress. Double click. We're gonna fix that. This circle somehow fell off. It must not have been tied to that. So no problem. We'll fix that. Click this, click that. We kind of hovered over that circle, and then we're going to click on this guy right here, make coincident. All right. So we made that coincident. Save. I think we got to make this one coincident too. Let's see if let's highlight that guy. Click there, and coincident. Finish. All right. Next, we got to click unsuppress this guy. Or I'm sorry, just show that. Now we're going to unsuppress the extrude. Okay, so now we want to subtract out of that. So we can unsuppress these two guys. Okay, so we're gonna delete this guy. We're gonna do a new mirror. let's see if this subtract works. So we're going to click this first one, hold down shift, click the last one, right click, and unsuppress, so pulling it all out. So now we got to adjust this circle. So we're going to go to that sketch right there. That sketch is having the problem. So this is the one. I need to actually change this to the total size, which is the 19.2. 19.2. Say finish. And we can actually adjust. Let's escape out of that. We can click on this guy and we can change this as, let's say 30. Escape, finish, finish. There it goes. All right, so we know it's correct now. So now if we want to mirror that, we can create a plane. The old plane would have needed to be readjusted either way. So let's click on our plane, top face, and we need to go down 9.6 millimeter divided by 2. Flip this. Okay. There's our plane. Now we need to take this extrude right here, and we're going to, actually we're going to take, yeah, that extrude. So first we're going to undo the subtract. So we are going to left click and right click and delete that subtract, okay? Now we want to take this geometry and mirror it about this line right here. So let's do that. Let's go over here to mirror geometry. So we want the entire body to be mirrored. So click on that. Click on our body. Click on our plane. Click OK. Now we have our two bodies. Let's go to subtract. So click and subtract. Click this guy. Click and this as our tool. One tool, two tools. OK. And there it is. Our nut is done. So let's go and hide our planes and our sketches. Make sure everything's hidden. We keep this one right here. That's our symbolic thread. Let's go with Control-Shift-D or file drafting. This is out of date. Let's go up to date. Okay. Now we just double check this guy, make sure it's all good. So this is 9.6. This is broken a little bit. We can just re-click on that line, and everything's green. Green checks mean good. So that is now a good line. This is telling me that this is M12 by 1.6 and then 8 deep, and that is exactly correct. And yeah, so that is our M12 bolt. So that concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.